Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to redeem a code in Monopoly Go. First, open your browser and go to the search bar. Type redeem code Monopoly Go and press enter. Look for the official Monopoly Go website in the search results. It should have a trusted domain, usually from Scopely, the official game developer. Click on that link to open the website. Once the page loads, you will see a section or box where you can enter your redemption code. Before you can use it, the website will ask you to log in. Log in using the same account you use for your Monopoly Go game. You can log in with Facebook, Apple, or your game account, depending on how you usually sign into the game. After logging in, type or paste your redeem code into the box. Make sure there are no extra spaces before or after the code. Then, press the redeem or submit button. If the code is valid, the website will confirm that your rewards have been added to your game account. You don't need to do anything else. Just open the Monopoly Go app on your device, and your rewards will appear automatically. That's all you need to do. Thanks for watching.